Nestled in Colorado's Front Range, Brighton, Colorado is home to about 41,000 people. And each of those 41,000 people need water. Every year, the city sends more than 1 billion gallons of high-quality drinking water to customers. Whether it's to quench your thirst or to take a nice hot or cold shower, where does the water come from and how does it end up at your home? To answer those questions, we start at the 6 South Platte wells located around the city that feed our water treatment plant. Groundwater from the South Platte alluvial aquifer is pulled through the wells to the water treatment plant using a transmission line. A redundant transmission line has been built along Bromley Lane, and it's serving as the backup in the event of a main break on that line. Once the water reaches the treatment plant, it undergoes reverse osmosis at the city's RO water treatment plant to filter out contaminants. That water then goes into the wet well, where it's chlorinated to leave behind fresh drinking water. Another major source of Brighton's water is the BB Draw alluvium wells, a downgradient of Bar Lake. Water from there is pumped to the green sand filter plant, where first the mineral manganese is removed, then it's off to the wet well for chlorine post-treatment. Finally, it's time for distribution. All the treated water in the wet well goes to the pump station tanks to be fed into the city's water grid. In total, there are 3 ground storage tanks and 1 elevated tank holding a combined almost 17 million gallons of water. From the storage tanks, off to homes and businesses the water goes. A third source of water is treated water coming from the City of Thornton's distribution system. That water is rechlorinated, then enters our system without any further treatment. During this whole process, water is stored in ponds and later put back into the stream, known as augmentation water. This ensures that water is sent back to our streams to make up for water going to the treatment plant. This prevents injury to any water users downstream of Brighton. To learn more, go to brightonco.gov/utilities.